For this video, we're going to be looking at how to adjust vertical page alignment. So basically, when we talk about vertical page alignment, we are talking something very much to this aligning tool option up here in our paragraph section under the home tab. But for this, what we will be doing is we're going to go to the layout tab, okay, and under the page setup, this more button option here, we're going to click on the more button. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to be looking at our margins. Okay, everything is perfect here. Paper, this is just telling us the size of the paper we want to work with. But what we're going to be looking at is the layout option. So halfway down, we see this page, vertical alignment. So we can choose from top, centered, justified, or bottom. So it depends on how you want it. So if we have a look at the centered option, okay, it hasn't changed much. Justified as well, and the bottom. Okay, let's try this. Let's try it centered. See what happens. Let's click OK. All right. As you saw there, the text did change slightly. Let's go back. Everything has moved to the center of the page. So here we'll be working from the center of the page, working outwards. That is how your vertical page alignment works.